In order to check voicemail messages on Google Pixel 10 Pro, you can, for example, open the phone app. Now you can switch to the keypad and you can press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial your voicemail. And you should be able to listen to the messages, so all messages that someone might have left you. In case if you press and hold the number 1 on the keypad and you cannot reach the voicemail, it might be due to the incorrect voicemail number being entered in the settings. So you can switch to home over here to the home page, tap on these 3 lines in the upper left corner and go to settings. After that, you should be able to go to the voicemail option over here, select your SIM, advanced settings, setup, and over here we have the voicemail number which we can edit. In case you don't know what number you need to enter over here, you can try to contact your service provider or carrier in order to ask them what is the voicemail number, or you can try to Google that information. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.